Good morning, student. I am starting your maths class from now, and since that it has not been started, so I will be starting from the first chapter, that is the large numbers. The large numbers, just to understand with which thing that numbers are formed. The numbers are formed by the digits. What are digits? Digits are, how many digits are there in our number system? There are the symbols by which we are writing the numbers. The symbols with which we are writing numbers are known as digits. Example of digits: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. With these digits we are forming the numbers. So our chapter is the large numbers. So we have to find out the numbers. So first of all, one digit number. What are the one digit number? Type of, firstly warm up. What is the smallest counting number? Smallest counting number is 1, just 1. What is the smallest whole number? Smallest whole number is 0. One digit number, the numbers from 1 to 9 are known as one digit number, but only one digit is involved. What is the smallest one digit number? 1. What is the largest, greatest one digit number? Is 9. Two digit number, 0 to 2 digit numbers are 10 to 99. What is the smallest 2 digit number? 10. What is the greatest 2 digit number? 99. Similarly, 3 digit numbers are starting from 100, 100 to 999. What is the smallest 3 digit number? It is 100. That means 1 followed by 2 zeros. How many 9 will be there in the greatest 3 digit number? 999. What will be the greatest? What is the 4 digit numbers? 4 digit numbers are starting with 1 followed by 3 zeros to 9999. What is the smallest 4 digit number? 1 followed by 3 zeros. And what is the greatest 4 digit number? 9999. So similarly, 5 digit numbers are 1 followed by 5 zeros, and greatest 5 digit number is 59. Similarly all. So the greatest and smallest 5 digit number, smallest 5 digit number, 5 digit number will be equal to 1 followed by how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. What is the greatest 5 digit number? Is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. By this way we can find out the smallest and greatest number by this way. So the next thing is that write the numerals of the given numbers. Write the numerals for the given numbers. The number's name is 13,586. 13,000 means in the thousand place there will be 13. It is 500 is here, and 86. So we can put commas in between. We will learn how to put comma or how to write down these things. We will be learning that later on. 8,700 means there is 8 in thousands place, and 700 there is no digits in the tens place and ones place. So 8,90,300, 80 lakh means 80 90,000, 90,000, 90 and 300. So these are the numbers. So although when we are writing the numbers from the names of the numbers in the digital form, similarly how we can write down the name of the number from the digital form to the words. So this is the process which has been learned by you in the previous class. So although it is learned to you, but we will learn here properly once again, so that you can count any number, big number or large number you can count, and you can write down in the names and you can write down in digits. So before that, one thing you have to, another thing we will be learning here, that is the place value and face value. Face value and place value. Suppose I am writing a number 2359. So if we are telling what is the place value of this 5 and what is the face value of this 5. So just to understand what is the place value, we will be going through the process of counting the number, how to count the numbers. You see, just to learn to count the numbers, we have to divide, we have to mention the places of the numbers like this. Suppose it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. So these are the numbers which has been divided into different periods. Periods are ones, which periods once has been included, that is 1, ones place, tens place and 100 place has been included in the periods. This is known as period. It is a period. Second is thousands periods. Thousands period is coming here, is thousands and 10,000s. Lakhs period is coming, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Crore period is coming, crores and 10 crores. So any number when we will be writing down, big number we will be writing down, then we have to place them in this way. Suppose I am having the number 12 crores, because it is the crores period. So it will be counted 12 crores. Lakhs period is 60, that is 60 lakhs. It is thousands period is coming 45,211. This number is. If we want to know the place value of this 6, in which place this particular 6 is lying, it is 10 lakhs place. So its place value will be place value of this 6. So place value of that 6, it is the number is 126045211. In this place we want to find out what is this place value and face value of this 6. So face value first. Face means mukh. Face value. Face value of any digit in any place will be the value of the digit. That is place value of 6. Place value of this 6 is 6, and face value of 6 is 6, but place value of 6 is how much? In which place this 6 is there? 6 in the 10 lakhs places. So 6 into 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs means it is 10 lakh, then 1000 place periods, then 100, then 10, then units. So unit, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So its place value will be equal to 6 into how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. This is the place value of this 6 in the number 12 crore 60,000 45 60 lakhs 45,211. So place value and face value, that concept must be clear. just to understand it. So we'll be going now how to count the big numbers and how to separate them. Suppose if I write down it is 1 2 6 0 4 5 2 1 1, just to understand in which periods these digits are there. So 2 1 1 will be coming in the ones digit, ones period. Next is thousands period is coming 4 5 thousands period. Then 6 0 is coming as lakhs period, and 1 2 will be coming in the crores period. So putting by this way the commas in between the periods, we can count the numbers easily and properly, so that I can count it is 12 crores 60 lakh 45,211. If more bigger number, if I am telling how to write down them, sometimes it is we are writing instead of putting commas, we are writing just putting some gap 12 6 0 4 5 2 1 1. So there is a gap in between the periods, so that we can easily understand the which digits are there in which place of this particular number. So by this way the big numbers can be read out, and we'll see write the numerals by separating the periods. If this number is given here, number is 5932, it is the number is 5932740881. This is a number, big number is given, and it is told to write down separate the periods. So separating periods, I am writing this thing. So these three periods will be ones period, this is thousands period, this is lakhs periods, this is crores period. So it can be written as 59, keeping gap 32, 59 crore, 32 lakhs, 74,000 and 081 as ones. So the easily we can count this number by seeing the gaps, and we can understand which is coming under the crores and which is coming under lakhs, thousands and ones. So we'll be writing down the numbers by putting the commas by this way. The same thing you are seeing 59 crores 32 lakhs 74,081, putting the commas 59 crore 32 lakhs 74,081, this thing. By leaving the space like this thing also we can write down the number 57 crore 30. This number is, you count, it is separate 3 2 2 1, that means it is separated 5 comma 73 comma 01 comma 619. From the right hand side we will be going from 3 numbers, we will be taking 06096, then 01, then 73, then 5 will be taken. So putting the gap there also we can write down 57301, and it will be counted that 5 crore 73 lakhs 1690. So by this way the numbers can be separated and it could be counted properly. Now how we can write down the names of the big numbers which are given to us by this way? Just to write down the names of these numbers, suppose this number name we will be writing down, so we will be separating by seeing the separation. 6 the units place is 60582734. So this number, if we put by putting by this way, if we put like this thing, that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crores. So by putting the numbers there we can understand the crore is coming, 4 is coming under the crore. So 4 crore 73 lakhs 28,506. This number is, the number will be like this. The second number also will be putting like this thing, units place, that is 0, then 9, then 6, 0, 9, 6, 3, 0, 0, 0, 8. It will be put like this thing, and you can understand it is 8 is coming under crore. So 8 crore, there is no digits under the lakhs periods, so there is no lakh. Here is 1000, 10,000 place, no digit is there, so 03,000, so 3000, it is 690, that is the name of the number. So similarly, other numbers are there, 52100, this thing, it is 52 crore 10 lakh 4. One thing here is also it is put 600500 it is coming as 60 crore 5 lakh 200, and similarly it is coming 80 crore 8. So by this way the big numbers can be counted in the Indo-Arabian system of numeration. So by this way we can write down. Now how we can write down the numbers in the expanded notation? Expanded notation, the big numbers are there, we will be writing them in the expanded form, expanded notation. Suppose the number is 357890216, 216. We will be writing down this number in the expanded notation. Notation, just to write down the expanded notation, we must understand the place value of the individual digit, in which place this particular 3 is lying. So unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So 3 into its place, in which place it is, in the crores place. Crore place, how will write down? So it will be write down unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So it is 3 crore 30, it is 35 crore it will be, because unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So it will be in the 10 crore places. 3 into unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So it is nothing but the place value of this 3 plus the place value of 5. Place value of 5 will be what? 5 is the face value and its place is the crores place. So crores place means how many zeros will be there? There will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros will be there, plus the face value of this 7. 7 is in which place? 7 is in the place of 10 lakhs places. So 10 lakhs places means 1 followed by 6 zeros will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count it. You did 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 10 lakh, 7 into 10 lakh plus 8 into 8 is the face value and its place is 1 lakh. So that is 1, 0, 0, 0. How many zeros? It will be 5 zeros. So unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So plus 9 is in which place? 9 is into 10,000 place. So 10,000 is 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 0 into it is thousands place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, plus 2 into 100 place. So 100 plus 1 into its tens place. So 10 plus 6 into ones. When we are writing the numbers in this form, this is known as writing the expanded notation, expanded form of the number. So by this way you can expand the number like this thing. So with this thing, with the place value or face value. Acha, predecessor and successor, you know. I think you know the predecessor. What is the predecessor of number 5? Predecessor of 5 will be equal to just previous number. It is 4. A successor of 5 successor of 5 is equal to just the next number, that is 6. 4 is the predecessor of 5 and 6 is the successor of 5. So, by this way it is known to you already. So, in this chapter, in which period is the colored digit in each of the following? Also find the place value of the colored digit. Colored digit, you see here, thus in this problem the colored digit is 8. It is in which period? Period means it is told to you ones period, thousands period, lakhs periods and crores periods. So, these are the periods. So, 8 is coming in the lakhs place. So, 8 in which period and what is its place value? Second thing, it is asking what is its place value. Place value is 8 into 1 lakh because it is in the lakhs place. So, 8 into 1 lakh, so 8 lakh. Similarly, what is the in which place this colored number 2 is, in which period it is lying? So, 2 is coming here, 2 is coming in the crores place. So, 2 in the crores period and its value is 2 into 1 crore. So, its place value is 2 crore. Next thing is that it is similarly place value of this 3 is thousands place. So, its place value is 3000. Its 6 is in the 100 place. So, its place value is 600 and 8 is in ones place. So, its place value is 8 into 1 is 8 only. So, by this way you can find it out. So, with this knowledge you can go through the exercise 1. Exercise 1 you go through. It is write the numerals shown in the abacus in the Indian system of numeration in words. So, you can write down, suppose 10 lakhs place, how many bits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 10 lakhs, it will be coming as 6 into 10 lakhs. It is 10,000, 10 lakhs plus, it is in lakhs place how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So, 5 into lakhs place. So, you need 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh. So, it will be coming as 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1000, 10,000 place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 9 into, it will be coming in the 10,000 place, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 plus, it will be thousands place is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 8 into thousands plus, it is 100 is 3 into hundreds place plus, it is 1 into tens place plus 3 into ones place. So, the total number will be equal to, please see with the previous slide which has been completed. So, 6 into, it is coming, you need 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh. So, 65 lakh 98,313 is the number. So, the question number 1, write the numerals shown in the abacus in the Indian system of numeration in words. So, you have to write down in words, number it has came on the number. So, you have to write down, it is 65 lakh 98,313 Please remember here 65 lakh will be there, not lakhs, because on the period it has been given, it is the lakhs period. So, it is lakh is there already, it is plural. Similarly, 98,000 not thousands and 313 will be the answer for this thing. So, by this way all the things has been taught to you. You please go through the exercise 1A as for your homework. Complete it and let me know the detail. So next thing I will be uploading for you. Thank you.